Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. XYO token holders, hope you're doing well guys, and I want congratulations to all XYO token holders because in the right now situation, as you can see here, 5.77% XYO token becomes positive guys. So very congratulations to all XYO token holders. Other side guys, you can see here the trading volume, the currently price is about 0.05427 USD dollar. That is the currently price of XYO token. That is the latest update. And now guys, in the right now situation, XYO is on the way to the moon, because you can see here, if we check the update of XYO token, so trading volume, fully diluted market cap, these all changes is going positive guys. You can see here 142% trading volume increase in last 24 hours. It's unbelievable guys. So guys, if the trading volume increase, you can see here 12.84 billion XYO is market supply in the right now situation. So if the supply increase, obviously the price will also increase. So now it is just the beginning of a huge pump guys. A huge pump of XYO token is also coming soon. Just hold for a long time. How much long you hold, same you get a huge profit. Guys. So never miss this profit opportunity guys. It's really a golden opportunity with all of you guys. Personally, I recommend for all of my viewers, for all of my subscribers, that it's time to hold for a long time guys. You can see here every update is going positive about XYO token guys. Thanks for watching guys. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any coin, any crypto, so please do your own research. Subscribe now.